This is the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro. It is a definite upgrade to the previous generation of Oraimo smartwatches. I mean, it has the ability to make Bluetooth calls. It has a whole new app with more customization options, refined UI, bigger display, and of course the essential fitness features. The Oraimo Watch 2 Pro is indeed a worthy upgrade from its predecessor. It has added a couple of new features lacking from the Watch 1 Pro. We have a much better and functioning app called the Oraimo Health App, which has a lot of features to complement the watch. Before we explore these features, let's see what's in the box. Aside the smartwatch, we have its magnetic charging cable and a user manual in which no one is going to read. The Oraimo Watch 2 Pro gets a 1-year warranty and it comes at a price of 26,000 naira at the time recording this video, which I would say is a decent price for a smartwatch of this caliber. At a glance, you would notice that the design has changed quite a bit from its predecessor in form of the absence of a curved screen. The display is also bigger at 1.75 inches. The body is built out of plastic and it does not feel cheap at all. There is just one button which functions as a power, home and menu button. The watch straps are rubber, they feel comfortable and they are easy to replace if you want to change them. The Oraimo Watch 2 Pro is a lightweight smartwatch that feels comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Heck, you can even sleep with it on. It also has IP68 water and dust resistant rating, which comes in handy for the sweaty workout sessions. The display on the Watch 2 Pro is a 1.75-inch TFT display, which is large enough for easy operation of the smartwatch. It has pretty large bezels, especially at the chin, but with the right watch face, the bezels basically disappears. The display has 5 levels of brightness, which I find comfortable using outdoors, plus it has really good viewing angles. Speaking of views, the Watch 2 Pro has a raise to wake features, and as the name suggests, you raise your wrist to wake the smartwatch. It has 3 levels of sensitivity and I find the low or medium to work best for me. I find the Watch 2 Pro accurate when it comes to heart rate measurement. It also has active heart rate monitoring, so you don't have to always do it yourself. As you go about your day, it tracks your heart rate. It also measures your steps, calories burnt, and a whole lot more. A swipe from the top of the home shows the quick panel, which consists of the raise to wake feature, the do not disturb mode, brightness toggle, and other quick settings you might need. A swipe to the right takes you to the daily activity tracker. A swipe to the left takes you to the widget sections, which consist of the music widgets and other widgets you might need, which can be customized using the Oraimo Health app. A swipe up from the watch home shows all your notifications and messages. To access the watch menu, you can click on the power button on the side. This gives you access to all the watch features. As a fitness-oriented smartwatch, the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro gives you a lot of sport modes you might want to track, to stay active and to meet your daily fitness goal. The Oraimo Watch 2 Pro has a couple of handy features like Bluetooth calling, in which you make a call directly from your smartphone without actually touching your phone, provided you have the feature turned on your watch obviously and on your smartphone. So you basically just click on it and you can make a call from the smartphone, which is pretty cool. Another handy feature is the remote camera feature, in which it allows you to take a photo from your smartphone with the smartwatch just by flicking your wrist. For battery life, the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro gets a 300 mAh battery with up to 5 days of usage before needing to charge. From what you've seen so far, it's safe to say the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro is a definite upgrade from its predecessor and a definite recommendation for those looking for a smartwatch at this price range. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question on the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro, and do give this video a like if it was helpful and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.